Hi folks, good day. So I'm here in front of my sink and I went to the garden and I'm doing some spray, and then suddenly this thing, look at that. This is a pump, a bottle pump. It quit working. It doesn't discharge water or whatsoever inside of that bottle, and so I'm wondering, and it happens constantly guys, every time I use this kind of pump. And then I'm wondering why, what's happened, what's going on. So I went back home and I ran hot water. You can also boil hot water, and then this is just water from the sink. It's hot, and just submerge it like that, and 10 minutes, 5 minutes, until you're happy with it. And of course you have to taste it, yeah, and then that should fix the problem guys. You can try, it works on me. Look, I will show you. See, before this doesn't work, but look at that. See, it works now. See that? So just submerge it with hot water guys, and I think whatever seal in there, it's turning back it used to be. Maybe it's loosened or something, but I don't know. Hot water fixed the problem. So I don't know if you have same problem. Just try it guys. Thank you. Hi guys, so let's put it to the test, okay? And are you ready? It works now. See, did you see that? So yep, it works guys. Just submerge it with the hot water.